Morning. Hindi. Ano lang. As mentioned by Tindan kanina, nakategorize yung mga projects ng WICOM into luxury, upscale, and affordable. This project is an upscale na isisingit ko siya, i-up ko siya konti na nasa gitna ng luxury team. Yan. And then, ang Marion Coast Residences is will be launching first quarter of next year. LOI natin, or we will start pre-sale on October 10. Okay, so ano ba si Marion? Si Marion, it's a beachfront condo. Meron tayong 70-meter shoreline. Yun na yung amenity natin. And yun yung 23 meters siya, layo niya dun sa shore. So meron ka talagang relaxation area doon. It's a 2-tower, 568 units. Meron tayong amenities na swimming pool. Nasa third floor podium siya, elevated siya. Fitness gym, view deck, function room, and meditation area, and open playground. So saan ba siya located? Located si Marion sa CDO, 10 minutes away from CDO. It's the next town after CDO, going to Laguindingan Airport. So when you land sa airport, mas malapit siya sa CDO ng 10 minutes. Okay, so mga 30 minutes siya from the airport, 10 minutes naman siya going to the city. So the beautiful contrast of this project is you are enjoying the resort living, no? May perpetual relaxation ka, narinig mo na yung waves, but you are within grasp naman dun sa mga necessities natin. Kasi 10 minutes lang, nasa city ka na. And then, ang unit offerings natin, meron tayong, all units are 1 bedroom. Convertible siya to studio. It's an open space planning because again, WICOM as as naging tagline na rin natin, it's beyond ordinary parang in the open space planning. It's part of it. Okay. And it's a smart home unit na rin, smart home condo na rin siya. Okay, so lahat may balconies and lahat, almost nung 90% ng units natin have the view of the sea. Okay, may view siya. And yun lang, may 1 bedroom tayo. And then yung corner unit natin is 45.32. Price range is from the standard of 1 bedroom is 4 million. Sa mid units natin na nasa 35.95 is around 5 million. And sa corner units natin, we'll start it at 6 million. Okay. So, to better appreciate yung project, let's watch this video.
understand why investment in CDO in general is such a good investment even sa mga taga Metro Manila. What is it about CDO right now?
Well, CDO actually is, they say it's the gateway to northern Mindanao because aside that we have our own port and our own airport, Cagayan de Oro actually is the intersection coming from Butuan, Bukidnon, also from Iligan, Zamboanga. So talagang para siyang hub for investment.
Very central yung hub
Yes,
niya,
very
diba?
central siya and very accessible for trade and commerce.
I see. And in particular, what makes the projects of WeCom very interesting or great investment potential?
Well, for Entalia States, to be specific, we are the first to introduce smart home technology in Cagayan de Oro. So we're very proud of that. And our houses also are designed with bioclimatic architecture and world-class engineering. So we're very proud of that.
Anong ibig sabihin ng smart home?
So the smart home is when you can control in your phone. You have the smart switches, or you can also monitor your AC in your phone. You can turn off switches through your mobile. So we've also partnered with Cherry Homes. So the Magnum Group of companies in Cagayan de Oro. So they are also the Cherry Homes family. So we've partnered with them, so it's easy to understand more about the technology.
Oh. And lastly, in terms of the potential, not just for investment, but for rental as well as leasing, how is it like in Cagayan de Oro?
Well, the best answer for that will be Entalia Flats Permea. So Entalia Flats Permea is situated in downtown CDO. So what I've mentioned earlier, right across the project is the international school. Beside is STI and Don Mariana College. So definitely it's a rental hub. The area itself is very
It's near the college hub, so very good for rental.
Yes.
I see. Now I want to ask this. Ito kanina pa, I want to ask the gentleman a lot of questions.
One question.
But engineer, what I like to ask you, because what's impressive about this is going to be the first ever beachfront residential development na gagawin ng WeCom. And help us just better appreciate, because like for us, kung taga Manila ka, our peg, kumbaga, is we look at Batangas, an hour and a half away from the city. We get to go to Batangas and then we go back. But what makes it different in CDO? Is this really a destination area, destination beach itong new beachfront property ninyo?
Actually, to add kay Sheik kanina, strategic yung CDO because number one, yung di ba may mga metro cities na tayo. Metro Manila, Davao, Metro Cebu, Iloilo. Then next kasi, Metro CDO, yun yung long shot na goal ng sa CDO na maging metro siya.
I see.
Number two is yung gateway nga siya ng Mindanao. So malapit siya dun sa Bukidnon. So parang may Tagaytay ka or Baguio, it's just 45 minutes away.
Oh, wow. So may Baguio ka na, may Batangas ka
May
pa.
Batangas ka pa for the Opol.
But minus the transportation time.
Transportation time is very lang talaga easy. Diba?
Wow.
Parang lahat doon sa CDO. Pag nandun ka na sa CDO, parang 10 minutes away ka lang sa lahat.
Wow.
15 minutes away ka lang sa pupuntahan mo. 30 minutes late ka na. 45 minutes medyo nasiraan ka na ng sasakyan. Hindi, biro lang. Yun din, malapit na rin siya sa Surigao, sa Siargao, Camiguin din. Camiguin is only 2 hours away from CDO.
So everything is very central from CDO.
Yes, it's very,
as a hub.
talaga progressive si CDO.
And tell us just a bit more about the beach. What's nice about this particular